Okay, so super quick tutorial for you. We're going to be doing a glow stick. So go ahead and delete your default cube. We'll go ahead with a cylinder, and we're going to scale this up. And then we're going to go ahead and add another cylinder in a moment. Take this cylinder, just press G, bring it up. We want to go Shift D. Just keep it on the same plane, scale it outwards, scale it down a little bit. Press G. Scale it in just slightly. Let's go to the materials tab right here, add. And then we'll put this one as kind of a grey kind of colour. And then we're going to Shift D, duplicate it. Bring this one up. Now this one in the centre, what you're going to want to do is go to New. And then we're going to go to Principle BSDF. Go to Emission. Maybe go for a nice yellow. And then we're going to turn the emission up. Now make sure that your render engine is at cycles. And then, boom, we have a glow stick. So we'll add a plane so you guys can see the glow stick going on its little glow stickiness. You could turn this down a little bit if you wanted to. So you kind of got a very low light glow stick if you wanted, or you've got a humongous light glow stick. To be honest with you, I think that's too much for a glow stick, but we could probably even it and average it out about maybe here. Yeah. Glow stick tutorial. One of the easiest things to make in Blender. I'll see you guys in the next one.